Before washing, it's quite normal for us to sort our laundry into different colored piles. But unfortunately, it is not always that simple. What do you do with colors that don't really go together or can't be separated? Do we risk color running into our whites or risk colors becoming dull? With the convenient Dr. Beckmann Color and Dirt Collector Sheets, you can wash different colors together easily without worrying. Simply pop one or two of the unique microfiber sheets in with your mixed load and wash as normal to keep your colors true. During each washing cycle, colored garments always lose some degree of color. The Dr. Beckmann Color and Dirt Collector Sheet collects and locks in the stray color so it doesn't transfer back onto your clothes, discoloring them. The special structure of the sheet means all the loose color is quickly absorbed. This effect is also demonstrated in the laboratory test. A color and dirt collector sheet is added to water with red dye. It immediately clears the water as the color pigments are absorbed and locked permanently onto the sheet. Dr. Beckmann Color and Dirt Collector protects your clothes reliably against color runs. So colors stay brighter for longer and you can wash different colors together. This also means less sorting and fewer loads, saving you time, energy and money. Convenient washing without worrying, thanks to Dr. Beckmann Color and Dirt Collector.